Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my shotgun asset to your avatar. So after you get everything imported, you will want to click on this folder and take this prefab and drag it into your hierarchy. Then you will want to unpack and then drag it onto your avatar. Once you get there, you will want to drag these three things onto the bones that they need to be on. So need to drop these down and get to the hands, and then drag this right hand onto the right hand and the left hand onto the left hand. Then the back will go on the chest. Next we'll be doing the animations. There are two ways to do the animations, manual and using the VRC avatar manager that I will show later. So first you can take this stuff and drag it into your animations folder for ease of access. So now you will want to go to your parameters here, need your inspector open, and just copy this shotgun parameter onto your avatar parameter. And then you will want to go to your menu, add a control, name it, put a picture on there if you want. I made a picture that you can put there. Make this a sub menu and then look for the shotgun sub menu. Next you will want to do the FX. So get this open and you'll want to copy everything besides the gesture left weight, right weight, and emote. So just the shotgun to the shotgun reload too. So you just want to copy all this into here. And they're going to be all bools. Oops. Next you'll want to go to layers and you're gonna want to copy all of this. And you're gonna want to click on this cogwheel and set weight to 1 and add a mask. You can use, I made a mask for this called shotgun mask that you can also use. Once you get all those done, you can start copying what's inside. So you can just copy all this and paste it. Check to see if that's all good. Copy all this. Copy this. And sometimes it won't copy correctly, so you're gonna want to right click, set state machine to idle. Same with this one. The idle should always be on, or the state machine should always be on the idle, usually. Now that you got the animations all done, you should be able to upload. But I'll show you the other way to combine the FX. So for here, you will want to drag in your avatar, go to the FX, it will have the FX of that, add this, take the shotgun FX, and just these would be 0 or have nothing in them, but since I already did it, it's saying all this. And then you will want to merge on current, and it will merge everything together. You also, if you do it that way, you also need to still do your parameter, add this in the parameters, and also do your menu. Now if you have a different avatar other than this, if you want to move your hands and want to be able to see where it is, you will want to go to shotgun handle and go down to the parent constraint, and right now it is on the back, so you can take this backbone and you can move it around and rotate it and position it wherever you want. And then if you want to see where it is on the hand, you just change shotgun hand, right hand to 1 and change back to 0. And then you can go to your right hand and you can move it around and rotate it wherever you want. And you will want to also do that for your left hand, but you won't be able to see it because it's kind of hard to visualize that in Unity. So you kind of just want it in the palm of your hand like so. And then you can take this and change the scale to 1 so you can see the shotgun shell. Maybe. Oh, it's because it wasn't rendered. You can change it so you can see the shotgun shell. And then you can position the shotgun shell by yourself wherever you want it on the hand for when you're reloading. Then you want to change it back to 0. Then once you're done moving it around, and also if you can scale it, if you go into scaling mode, you can scale it up or down however you want. Just scale it on this shotgun here. And then once you're done, change this back to 1 on the shotgun back and 0. And then you can do the rest. Change your materials if you want and all that, and then you're ready to upload.